Have you ever wondered how your lifestyle could be affecting your health? It's a question that's more important than you might think. Lifestyle diseases, also known as non-communicable diseases, are a group of conditions that arise largely from our everyday behaviors and habits. They're born from actions we repeat so often, they become second nature to us. These diseases often develop over time and are frequently associated with choices we make in our daily lives. Choices like eating a poor diet, not getting enough physical activity, abusing tobacco and alcohol, and even the relationships we maintain. Some of the most common lifestyle diseases include diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, hypertension, obesity, and certain types of cancer. They're illnesses that result from long-term habits that disrupt or lack optimal sleep, wholesome nutrition, habitual exercise, and proper stress management. These diseases often come about as a result of our daily routines and choices. But just how serious are these lifestyle diseases? Can they really be life-threatening? The answer, unfortunately, is a resounding yes. According to the Journal of Cardiology and AMP Current Research, lifestyle diseases are not just a minor inconvenience, but they can lead to severe health issues and even life-threatening conditions. Ponder on this for a moment. Conditions such as diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, hypertension, obesity, and certain types of cancer are all linked to our lifestyle choices. These illnesses are not merely ailments that cause temporary discomfort. Instead, they can drastically reduce the quality of life, leading to persistent pain, chronic fatigue, and other debilitating symptoms. In extreme cases, these diseases can lead to serious complications, such as heart attacks, strokes, and other life-threatening conditions. It's a sobering thought that our daily habits can have such a profound impact on our health. Indeed, the consequences of these diseases are far from light, posing severe risks to our health. So, what causes these diseases, and how can we prevent them? Lifestyle diseases are often the result of an intricate tapestry of factors. Genetics play a part, setting the stage for potential health challenges. However, it's our environment, chronic stress, and lifestyle habits that often pull the curtain up on these diseases. Poor diet and the lack of regular physical exercise can act as trigger points. They can be likened to pouring gasoline on a smoldering fire. The abuse of tobacco and alcohol only add more fuel to the flames, accelerating the onset and severity of these conditions. But here's the good news. We can prevent, or at least significantly reduce, the risk of lifestyle diseases. It starts with making healthier choices, cultivating a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, abstaining from tobacco and alcohol, and managing stress effectively are the cornerstones of prevention. By understanding the causes and taking steps towards healthier choices, we can significantly reduce the risk of lifestyle diseases.